Hey, this is your Professor Ms. Radke, and I just thought I'd post a quick video on how to get to the Writing Center. Okay, so let's say you're in the middle of your research argument and you want to make sure that it flows, or you're having a real issue integrating one source with another, or whatever the problem is. You go to memphis.upswing.io, and then you look at this announcement here. See? Haha! CWC. You're going to have to type that in at some point. You log in with your information. You click Meet with a Tutor. Type CWC in the box. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. There we go. Alright. Up pops all of the available tutors who are working online this semester. If you'll notice, because it's pretty late at night when I'm filming this, no one's currently available. What do? I click Schedule. I see when they're on the schedule. I select a time for when they're on the schedule. If I wanted to work with Angela Morris, and you should, she's lovely, I could work with her Monday or Tuesday night. So she works in the evening. That's convenient. If I wanted to work with, say, Ken's a pretty solid dude. He's available on Monday from 12 to 5, so if you need something in the early afternoon, he's good for you. Let's see, Meredith. She's a sweetheart. She helped you with your library stuff. She's available on Tuesdays in the morning. So if you want to pop in and see her right after my class, you can totally do that. So, once you click on someone, select a time, and then you can pick the time and schedule with them. You upload your paper right here. So that's how you can make an appointment with the CWC online. You're taken to an online whiteboard space where you can upload your paper and work on it together in sort of a Zoom call sort of situation. It's very useful, and they will really help you with your paper, especially if you don't think it's ready for me to see it, or for whatever reason you just want more writing support. The CWC is a great option, and that's how you access it. Again, it's memphis.upswing.io. Again, memphis.upswing.io. And you log in with your university credentials. Alright. That's how you do it, guys. See you later.